A very good morning, Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond the Television Network. We continue to take a look on what's happening in the nation, Zimbabwe, without fear, without favor. And at this point in time, we are taking a look on a report from International Cables Network. These are Vice President Chiwenga, allies, and a lot is happening at this point in time. Remember, there's a chopper which crashed in Masvingo, and this has been the talk since last night. So we are taking a look into what really transpired, what really happened, and fresh details are here with us. International Cables Network, which is run by Comrade Neva Maswase, says the Air Force of Zimbabwe helicopter that crashed had initially been reserved for transporting Vice President Constantine Chiwenga and some of his security aides too, and from the hastily arranged Munomutapa event in Masvingo. This event was arranged by ZANU-PF Youth League, and a lot of things happened during that particular event. So we need to take a look onto some of the raised issues right here. He says Chiwenga had received a prior intelligence briefing. Chiwenga, who had received a prior intelligence briefing, did not attend the event, instead opting to attend a separate non-state religious event in Bulawayo. This happens This happens what on the heels of Chiwenga's meeting with Mnangagwa on Monday, where there was more smoke than sausage rolls. So this is the picture of the chopper which crashed, and it's a very sad situation, a very difficult situation to understand what is really transpiring, what is really going on. This is happening at a point in time mageneral ari kungofa zvisina musoro zvisinganzwisike zvokuti even those in authority, they have to ask themselves questions kuti what is really transpiring, what is really going on. This is another version of the story. This chopper is said to have been reserved for Vice President Chiwenga, who snubbed this event. He also snubbed the event yekuenda ku farm kwava Mnangagwa ku precab farm, and these are the situations which are happening. We are being told kuti VP Chiwenga is opting to travel by road more than to travel by air, but it's mostly difficult because of the situations right here in Zimbabwe. Will these people continue to be close to each other given the circumstances and given the facts of what is happening at this point in time? Vacharamba here vachiwirirana, vacharamba here vachishanda vese? Those are the most critical questions we have to ask, very important questions which we need to ask. So if you look at all these things, then that what is there is a great possibility that these allegations are true. It's because of how politics is being done in Zimbabwe. It's more toxic than the people might anticipate or think of. It's something which we need to understand as a people, that politics must not be like the one we are seeing right here in Zimbabwe. In Zimbabwe, politics has become more toxic than anything else. If you differ with Mwenemtapa, if you differ with those in power, then you are regarded as a traitor, you are regarded as a problem. So one of the most important things is to note that the only 3 crew members were present in this chopper. Only 3 crew members were present in this chopper by the time it crashed. No any other person was there, and also it crashed quite early, which made it possible to save some lives. Imagine if it had crashed in full swing, and it could be a disaster, but lives were preserved. One of the 3 crew members was reportedly injured and is admitted in the hospital. But we'll continue to wait and see what this story is going to bring about. So if you look at these things, then they are very difficult to understand, but we cannot rule them out given the circumstances in the political arena in the nation of Zimbabwe. Let us take a look if there are any comments right here which might be of importance right there. Okay, Murozi says the VP has never used that helicopter. Where is the president? It seems as if he's misleading. VP Chiwenga has used this whole helicopter so many times. If you have been following events, has used this helicopter so many times, including Vana Kembo Mohadi. Zvikanzi chero vakauraya Chiwenga, we will still support him in grave. Zvikanzi Matanga, then who was it subsequently allocated to? Okay, Zvikanzi, there's gonna be a chaos in the house. Zvikanzi, why Zimbabweans? Why? The quest for power has always been a dirty game. We need peace. Resolve your differences amicably. Zvikanzi uchatiza rufu kusvika rini achadamburwa zvake. Zvikanzi that helicopter is the president's. Okay. Zvikanzi Chiwenga zvochida kuti aite action akambopiwa kafira mberi iko zvino afumwa futi nerufu rwechitatu hazvizobudi zvakanaka. So I don't know guys, your thoughts. What do you think? Was this chopper reserved for Vice President Chiwenga, or it's only reserved for the president? We are seeing different versions of this story depending on some investigative journalists. They are bringing up different issues, and we have to explore all the avenues which they are raising so that we see kuti izvo chaizvo ndezvipi. Who was the target? Was ED the target? Was Chiwenga the target? So we have to take a look onto another view about ED. Then soon after that, we'll try to put everything together and see who was the target. But at this point in time in this episode, we are looking at the report from International Cables Network, which claims that this has been reserved for Vice President Chiwenga. These are allegations which are being raised. They have raised several allegations and several issues about the issues of succession for a very long time. Remember, majenero ari kupera, vamwe vari kuti kufa, vamwe vari kuti ngozi, vamwe vari kuti vari kupedzana pachavo. There is no clear explanation kuti why is it generals in Zimbabwe ari kupera at such a rate. We saw it in 2008, junior soldiers vaifa zvaityisa. And the same is happening at this point in time. We ask questions, what is really transpiring? What is really happening? You know, that pese paita chaitika, people always speculate and ask questions. It's the duty of those in authority to address these issues. So when you have a situation where Vana Owen Mudangube, they are publicly telling us about 2030, Iwachizwati Chiwenga is preparing also to take over, then it becomes problematic because zvinobva zvaratidza kuti pane mutswe iripo. Also, there is an event which happened. I think we have to touch it at a later stage, but something happened yesterday pavakanga vachiita zvavo zvemunumutapa izvozvozvo, which has been criticized a lot by some pro-Chiwenga people. It is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. I do not know your thoughts. Let us talk in the comment section so that we see what are your thoughts. What do you think? Okay, Ellison says anzi invite nangagwa kuma functions enyu tuone. Okay, I do not know who should invite another person or whatever, but this is what is happening at this point in time. Let us meet in another episode as well as